Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos on Canva like a pro. This video will be on a beginner level so you can get started but still make decent videos. Make sure to watch till the end because I'm going to share some special tips and great resources that I'm sure will help you a lot. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you will go to canva.com from your browser or you can download Canva app from Play Store or App Store. Now this is the interface for the Canva website homepage. Once you're logged in, on the top left side you will see multiple options here. You will click on create. Now from here, because we are making the video, simply click on video here. If you are making a reel or a short, you can go with this format, mobile video. And if you are making a landscape video like a YouTube video, you can go with this. For this one, I'm going with a YouTube video format. Now this is Canva's video editing interface. On the top left side, again, you will see multiple options. If you have your own video you want to edit, you can simply just go to upload and upload your video from here, and then can simply click on the clip and it will show here on the timeline. For this tutorial, I will be making a simple video about, let's say, 3 tips for a better sleep. And for this I will use stock footages, for which I will go to elements, this, and I've got some clips here. Okay, I like this video. I will just, then to use it, just simply click on this. Now you see it is showing here. This is called editing timeline. Spread this video to whole page. You can simply just right click on this and select set video as background. You see now it's spread to the whole page. To preview this, you can simply click on play. Next you can split this video. Let's say I want part from here to here. I will take the slider here and then right click and click on split page, or simply press S. Now you see this video is splitted, and since I want it from here to, let's say, here, right click again and split. I want only this part, so I will delete the other part, let's say this one, and then press delete, so that part is gone. And if I want to make it even smaller, I can simply drag it. Next, let's say I want to add another video, so I'll click here and we'll search for a different video. Alright, so now I have added all the clips I wanted. Next, we will learn an important part here is adding transitions. This part is important to keep viewers' attention and make the video smoother. To add it, go here between these two scenes and you will see this option here, add transition. We will click on that. Now you will see a lot of different transition. Keep it simple for now. Don't make it very fancy. My favorites are dissolve and line wipe. For now I will use dissolve between this. You can use different transitions between different scenes. Similarly, I will add transitions for remaining scenes. Next important part will be adding the text, or you can also add subtitles. To add the text, you will click on the left side, you will see option text, then add a text box, or you can go with the pre-made different text font combinations. These are also good. I will just simply go ahead with add a heading. This will be my title for the video. Next, we will change the font to a decent one. To do that, click on the text again and then go to the font. Keep it simple, don't overwhelm this, don't stress this too much. I like Archivo black, and change the color. I will go with white to make it more clearer. I can add some effects on this. To do that, you will click on this again and then click on effects here. I usually use outline. You see now outlines are there. Change the color maybe to black. You can increase the thickness like this. You can also increase the font size either like this, bring it to the center of the page like this. We will add some animation to the title now. For that, click on this again and then go to animation. Now from here you have a great varieties available. I will click on this. With that added, okay, now let's see how it plays out. You can also control the timing of when the title appears in the video. For that, click on the text again, and then on the timeline you will see this. You can drag this like this. Now next part will be adding background music. Again, to do that, if you have your own audio, you will go to upload and do it from there. Canva has its own library of music and sound effects. A lot of those are free, so let's try those here. You can simply search for some upbeat music, and in the audios you can find the list of audio available here. Now you can see I have just uploaded my own audio here. You can see on the timeline right here. One more thing, to adjust the timeline size here, you can simply go here. This will zoom the preview screen. To zoom the timeline, you switch here and then you can drag. This will make editing or splitting the screen easier at times. You can drag and control the audio from here like this. And to control the audio volume, you can go to here and control it like this. Now with that added, okay, great. So now our video is ready. Let's preview this video, how it looks like. Was a nice video we made just now. The Canva logo you see on the video is because we used premium footages, but if you use your own video or free stock footages, this logo will not be there. I use the free Canva to show you that you can edit videos for free like this. That was for the beginners, how to edit videos on the fly, get the head start and start making videos right away. As you practice more, you can make more advanced videos. Now next, to download your video, you will go to share option and from there to download, and from here you will select MP4 video file. With free Canva you can download up to full HD size. You can download 4K as well, but you will need a premium version. Next, you will select all files and then download. Click on download. Within a few minutes the video will be downloaded. Now coming to the tips I was talking about earlier, and I think it's really important. If you are making this video to make money on YouTube or anywhere else, especially for YouTube, I will suggest avoid using Canva music or sound effects. I have noticed even with premium version of Canva and even with the free music or sound effects, it still get flagged by YouTube. I have noticed in my experience, I personally avoid Canva's music and sound effect. What I will recommend using instead for free music and sound effects, I use YouTube's music library, which has a lot of free music, and Pixabay, which has a decent library of free music and sound effect. If you like this video and want the part 2 for the video where I can show you more advanced ways how you can edit the video, don't forget to leave a comment Canva part 2 so I will know you are interested, and I'll see you in the next one.